What's up, YouTube friends and family? Welcome or welcome back. So today I have a tool sterilizer that I wanted to show you. I'm actually really happy to have this. Anything that can do extra sterilization on tools for me is like a bonus. So this unit is pretty self-explanatory. You want to make sure that this product is on a stable table. You don't want it to be like lopsided or wiggly or anything like that. And you basically want to open the lid and put the quartz sands into the tank, but you don't want to fill it up more than 80%. So after that, you connect the power, switch it on, and at the moment it's red, and when it's ready it will turn green. This sterilizer gets to 160 degrees Celsius, which is very hot, and I don't recommend you grabbing the tools out with your fingers, like your hands, bare hands. I do recommend putting gloves on. So basically how it works is when the temperature of the tank reaches to 160 degrees Celsius, the heating light will automatically turn off, right? And the product will stop heating. So that's how that works. You only need to leave your tools in the sterilizer for 20 to 30 seconds. I didn't notice any harsh smells or like any burning or chemical, electrical smells or anything like that. So those are all good things, and I'll give you a further update on this product once I've used it a little bit more, but this is just an initial review. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers, and the link will be down below. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next one.